Do Epic Shit, Quick Summary. Do Epic Shit is a book by Ankur Warikoo where he writes about all the failures and successes he had in his life. He also reflects on the lessons he has learned the hard way to help us be aware of those situations. You will find valuable lessons in this book that you can use in your life. His thoughts range from the importance of creating habits for long-term success to the foundations of money management. From embracing and accepting failure to the real truth about learning empathy. This is a book to be read and reread, a book whose lines you will underline and think about again and again, a book you will give your family and friends and strangers one. Here top 8 best quotes from this book. 1. You don't know your passion. You grow your passion. 2. If you share because you expecting something in return, it is not sharing, it is a transaction. 3. Emotion debt has killed more people than financial debt ever will. 4. Don't ever fool yourself to believe you deserve to be where you are in life. 5. No step is small, as long as it is headed in the direction of where we want to go. 6. Knowing when to say no and saying it is a skill. 7. Comparing yourself to others is the biggest waste of time. 8. Luck happens to those that make things happen. Habits of Ankur Warikoo. 1. Always carries a notebook. 2. Documents everything. 3. Puts everything on the calendar. 4. Schedules emails to himself, for future. 5. Uses technology for everything possible. 6. Has a self-WhatsApp group. 7. Takes an afternoon nap. 8. Sets the right environment for every task. 9. Creates sensory hooks for what is important, because our senses help us drive action. Rewire your environment for things that are your first priority. Mistakes you should avoid with money. 1. Don't take loans to buy the real estate. 2. Don't invest all of your money in illiquid assets. 3. Don't increase your lifestyle with the increase in your income. 4. Don't invest in the hope of making money fast. Here's what you should know about money. 1. Always take taxes into consideration. 2. Inflation is a real thing. 3. Compounding rests on time. Give it time. Don't interrupt it. 4. Invest in places where you can withdraw cash whenever you need it. 5. Have excess cash? Wait for the right moment to buy. Wait patiently for the market to drop. 6. In your 20s, live below your means. 7. Double down on what's working rather than diversification. Diversification will not yield supernormal results. 8. Take risks early on and don't worry about the short-term ups and downs. Hope you enjoy short summary of Do Epic Shit. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit bell icon.